So there's a new store in Katangal for all students, and that's Lavanya Plus. Let's quickly go in. So here we get more of educational items, gift items. So we're just gonna give a look to it. It's basically an extension to the main store with more items, I would say. So let's have a look. So as you can see over here, all kinds of gift items. I mean, you might have seen that. That's a scalp massager right over there. There's a fan. So many, beautiful things. There's, I think this might be like a collectible item. You could give a gift to your buddy, probably. Yeah, that's nice. Yep. We've got bottles around here. Oh, we've got fan. Okay. The USB table fan is a necessity in today's weather in Kerala. Seriously. And by the way, this also. Don't know when you get sick over here. Seriously, the weather change is like, damn. We've got bags over here for kids as well as, us for MBA students as well. We've got the Lenovo bag. We've got other different varieties of stuff. We've got umbrellas right over there. Seriously, too many varieties of stuff. I think they couldn't fit it into one store, so they've made another huge store. And by the way, this is connected to the main store. I'll just show you right away. On the way, see, kids also. Come here. Let's go to the main store right away. So, we've got this for the kids mostly. So, if you have any brothers or sisters out there, younger brother or sister, yeah, definitely get something for them. I'm definitely getting this for my cousin. Looks nice. Got some pretty good stuff. And for the faculty, who have small, younger kids, can actually get these things. More than just toys. Even for us, I think even we are into, even though it says age 3+ and above. All of this is like a huge stuff to us as well. Look at this beauty. Damn. So for all those, we've got all kinds of toys and stuff for the kids. And look at this. I think this is something that I think even girls would appreciate, even at this age. I've seen girls giving these kind of gifts to their friends. So that's also there. Or guys could give to their who. So here we go. Bottles and toys. So this door, you can go through here and it connects to the main store. I'll show you in a minute. See, you've got all kinds of stuff you need for making different kinds of art and all. This is a glue gun. You've got everything over here, literally. Anything you need for giving gifts. Look at this. Who wouldn't fall in love with this? yeah, okay, that's a little cheesy. but seriously, you've got all kinds of they've got gift boxes for you to put these gifts in. They've got all these beautiful games. And oh, I know this thing. I know this thing. This one. The LED panel, yes. I think I have one of these. Yeah, you can just write on them and they, you can also, just on a press of a button, everything goes. Yeah. They've got all kinds of things for the kids as well as people for our age. I would still appreciate an RC car. Seriously, I would still love to drive one of them. See, they've got a lot of things over here. They've got badminton bats. They've got, that's called a chenda, by the way. They've got that gun. Oh, I remember this during Diwali, man. Seriously. This was I think the smallest, but definitely enjoyed shooting them on people. Oh, damn. Okay, this is nice. Oh, okay, and that's a reasonable price as well. For Uno cards. I didn't know they made an Avengers version, but nice. They've got Doraemon as well, so for all the fans out there. See, they've got keychains. Oh, speaking of Avengers, damn, that looks awesome. Also, Spider-Man as well. Damn, nice. They've got things you can put these at homes. You can they have things for photos. They've got stickers. There is nothing they don't have. They've got pens and different varieties of it. I mean, what the hell is this even? A sniper pen? Damn, okay, I have not seen these many varieties of pens. Seriously. Too many varieties. And these are memorabilias. I've always wanted to do this. Okay. Oh, damn, that is too good. Another one for the team. Oh, damn. This is pretty nice. Okay, nice. This, I know this can be connected to your cable and it lights up. This thing lights up and it's got the planets. I have the same one actually. It was a gift from one of my friends on my birthday. Yeah, thank you. And we've got this photo frames, fake plants if you can't take care of real ones. I mean, come on. If you can't take care of plants, how are you gonna take care of oh god. Yeah, so we've got everything. Jo bhi chahiye yahan pe hai, but now I'll do one thing. I'll show you that connection, by the way, to the main store. And that's where we end this vlog, by the way. यहाँ पे भी सब मिलता है, by the way. Everything they do now. They gift wrap it for you. Anything you need. You have chart papers. You've got everything. Books. And you might have seen him over there. Got chart papers. We don't have a connection from here.
Yes.
So as you can see, we're going to the main store right now as we speak. See, you saw this before, right? You've seen this before. If you haven't seen it, check out this video. A full-on description on what is available in the store. And this is the basement I was talking about. There's 4 floors up, by the way. Do you actually feel that this shop is that large? And look at the people. It's packed with people. So just say a quick bye. I don't know where the owner is, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog over here. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I mean, if you found it informative, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you need anything at all, anything, make sure you visit Lavanya Stores and Lavanya Plus as well. It's just an extension. It's got everything you need. If you want to give gifts to your friends, if you want to do, different anything you want, come to this store and you'll get it. That is the promise of Lavanya Stores. Anything you need, everything you need, everything in your mind, you get it over here. Hello. I just want to confirm for my viewers. So if you would give discounts and offers to our viewers, if they come, will you give them?
Sure, no.
100%.
100%.
Good discounts to our viewers, especially to people who are coming from our channel.
Yeah.
100%.